As we mark the World Press Freedom Day today, we must say that it's a very sad day because we've seen the government has unleashed crackdown on the media once again. We are aware that the government has, police have arrested filmmakers, people who are associated with the content that was aired by the BBC, and we think that is harassment, intimidation of the media, and we must condemn that.
So as they celebrate their Press Freedom Day, we are keen to continue to partner with the media for the promotion of all fundamental freedoms, particularly freedom of expression, the essence of the role of journalists, of media practitioners across our continent and across the globe is to serve as agents of change, catalysts, and defenders of democracy.